Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ceramic car wax for black cars that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Formula 1 Color Wax Spray for black cars. This product is engineered with advanced ceramic SiO2 technology, ensuring better paint protection and longer-lasting durability compared to traditional waxes. Its standout feature is its color-matching pigment, which revitalizes dull and faded black paintwork, providing a deep, glossy finish that truly shines. However, you'll need to be mindful during application, as the pigment may stain your towels or clothing. Performance-wise, the ceramic formula delivers exceptional water-beating action and protects against UV rays, helping to prevent future paint fading. Application is straightforward. Just spray it onto a soft cloth, wipe across your car's surface, and buff it out with a dry towel. The curing time is quick, making it ideal for quick touch-ups. While the product excels at filling minor scratches and delivering a showroom shine, it's best suited for cars with moderate surface imperfections rather than severe damage. In terms of value, Formula 1 offers a solid balance of affordability and performance at $19.99. However, it doesn't quite match the longevity or premium feel of higher-end products on this list. Pros include its ease of use, ceramic protection, and UV resistance, while cons include its limited scratch-filling capability and staining potential. This is a fantastic budget-friendly option for casual car enthusiasts looking to enhance their black car's appearance without breaking the bank. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Waker Car Wax for dark color cars. This product is designed specifically for black, charcoal, and midnight blue vehicles, offering a unique combination of features like liquid depth amplification, UV swirl minimization, and an infrared heat shield. The charcoal-tinted formula blends seamlessly into your car's trim and crevices, ensuring no residue is left behind. The liquid depth enhancer creates a mirror-like reflectivity, delivering a showroom wet finish that makes your car stand out in any light. Performance-wise, the Waker Wax excels at filling UV-induced swirl marks and provides excellent hydrophobic properties, allowing water to bead at a 90-degree angle and reducing mineral deposit buildup. Additionally, its infrared heat shield helps prevent paint oxidation caused by solar radiation, making it a great choice for cars parked outdoors frequently. While the application process is simple, the paste form may require a bit more manual effort compared to sprays or liquids. This product is ideal for detail-oriented users who want to refine their car's surface and achieve a truly polished look. At $23.97, Waker strikes a good balance between price and performance. It's a solid mid-range option for enthusiasts seeking a combination of protection and gloss enhancement. Pros include its UV protection, hydrophobic properties, and residue-free application, while cons are its slightly labor-intensive paste format and average scratch-filling ability. This is a great option for those who want a refined, deep finish on their black cars without stepping into premium pricing territory. At rank number 3, we have the Turtle Wax 53447 Hybrid Solution Ceramic Acrylic Black Spray Wax. This product offers a convenient spray-on application, making it one of the easiest to use on this list. Formulated with black pigmented carnauba wax and ceramic-infused technology, it provides long-lasting protection, water repellency, and a high-gloss finish that enhances the depth of black paintwork. The tropical fruity fragrance is a nice touch, adding an enjoyable sensory experience during application. In terms of performance, this spray wax does an excellent job of filling minor scratches and swirl marks, while creating a streak-free shine. It's versatile and can be used on various surfaces, including black wheels, exterior plastics, and trim, although it's not recommended for convertible soft tops or light-colored paint. For best results, you'll need to allow 24 hours for the product to cure, but once set, it offers a durable protective barrier against road contaminants and water spots. This spray wax is ideal for quick touch-ups and maintaining a polished look between major wax applications. While the price of this product isn't available at the moment, Customer reviews and rankings suggest it's a popular and reliable option. Pros include its easy application process, multi-surface use, and durable protection, while cons are the curing time and its limited scratch repair capability compared to more advanced formulas. This product is a fantastic choice for users looking for a quick and effective way to keep their black car looking pristine. At rank number 2, we have the Turtle Wax 53448 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish and Wax. This budget-friendly option comes in at just $18.73. Offering an impressive range of features that rival more expensive products. It's formulated with black pigmented carnauba wax and ceramic-infused polishing compounds, making it ideal for restoring black paint finishes. The product fills swirl marks, light scratches, and minor imperfections effortlessly, leaving behind a deep, high-gloss black finish. Plus, its tropical fruity fragrance makes the waxing process more enjoyable. Performance-wise, this polish and wax combo provides excellent water repellency and long-lasting protection against road contaminants. It can be applied by hand or with a machine polisher, making it versatile for both casual users and professionals. For optimal durability, you'll need to allow 24 hours for the product to cure. But once it's set, it keeps your car cleaner for longer with less maintenance between washes. This product is perfect for anyone looking to rejuvenate their black car's paint while staying within a tight budget. The Turtle Wax 53448 is a standout performer at its price point, offering great value for money. Pros include its affordability, ease of application, and effective scratch-filling capability, while cons are its curing time and slightly smaller bottle size. This product is ideal for budget-conscious users who want quality results without spending a fortune. Taking the top spot at rank number 1 is the Car Gods Eros Eternal Black Ceramic SiO2 Wax. Priced at $38.21, this premium product offers unmatched quality and performance. Using advanced hybrid SiO2 and wax technology, it provides superior protection, durability, and an extreme water-beating action that lasts for up to 3 months. The pigmented black particles in the formula restore color and enhance depth, delivering a better-than-showroom finish that feels silky smooth to the touch. Performance is where the Car Gods wax truly shines. Its hydrophobic ceramic barrier makes it easier to clean your car and prevents dirt and deposits from adhering to the surface. Unlike many other products, it offers a streak-free application and leaves no smears or scratches behind. With over 60 years of car care expertise backing the brand, this wax is tailored for perfection, making it the best choice for black car owners who demand the very best results. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the Car Gods wax justifies its price with exceptional longevity, deep gloss, and professional-grade protection. Pros include its advanced ceramic technology, long-lasting durability, and premium finish, while cons are its higher price point and slightly longer application time. If you're seeking the ultimate solution for your black car's care, the Car Gods Eros Eternal Black Ceramic Wax is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.